Hi, it's Malcolm from Aquaspray. Today I'm going to unbox the Ventos vacuum cleaner from Kranzle. It's an engineered box with two boxes in one. The first box is your adapter couplings. We'll come back to that soon. A 3.5 meter vacuum hose, and then the main vac itself. You have two tubes in the top, stainless steel floor tubes, and then the vacuum cleaner itself. I'll lift it out. Voila. Inside is a bag with your accessory tray that fits on the back, a bag, an instruction manual, and then all the tools are also in the bag. What comes with it. There's a round suction brush, the main floor tool, the elbow to clip to the hose, accessory holder that fits on the back of the vac there, a wet and dry floor tool for the floor suction, a long crevice tool, and an upholstery tool. First things you want to do is you want to be looking for the little pouch with the two screws to put the accessory tray on the back end. If you take the vac top off, you'll be able to just clip that on to the two little clips at the top, and then we're using a T15 Torx driver, or if you've not got one of those, it will also do a flathead screwdriver, and just screw these into the back of the housing. Don't over tighten them, just nip them up so it's not going to come out. Once that's done, all the accessories will just fit nice and neat into it. Ready to go. Awesome. That is the Kranzle Ventos vac. This one is the 30 litre EL. There is a slightly shorter tub, exactly the same vac, but a shorter container, which is the Ventos 20 EL. Have a look at it on the website for the latest prices. Try it out.